Okay, so it's your boy Moto Hundo. I'm back, and today we will be mounting on a chin strap onto our HJC Modular helmet. We got here with us the AxPOWER accessory kit for the sports cameras, and then I put a few connector pieces together and got the perfect angle that I wanted for my chin strap mount. So first thing I'm gonna do here is clean the whole helmet with alcohol and get rid of all of that grease and debris that's on there. So I put a few connector pieces here to get the angle I wanted for the chin strap mount. I want my camera to sit on there and be pretty much right center in the front of my chin. So I'm seeing the angle I want right here. And since this is a modular helmet, the front face lifts up. So I want to be able to lift up the helmet face without messing up my camera. So you got here some 3M sticky pads that come with the AxPOWER kit. You're going to want to blow dry it for about 30 seconds just to get that adhesive kind of heated up and more sticky. So right here I already got the base and the mount together, so I'm just going to do it all at once. So you stick one side of your pad on there, push it down, make sure all the little air is out. Give it a good press. Checking to make sure it has good adhesion. Seems pretty good. So just doing another dry fit right here just to give it a look of how I want it. So with that, me knowing I want to put it there, I'm going to peel this side of the 3M sticky pad off. Give it a little alcohol rub there. Gonna heat that up for a few seconds. And got it mounted right where I want it. Just pushing it down and making sure it's stuck good. So then I gave it another little blow dry just to, stick it a little more. And I got it pretty much where I want it. So I like the way it is right here. So we just tighten everything down. I want to give it a little test. I'm using a GoPro Hero 8, by the way. So then I noticed too, since this modular helmet does lift up, I can also use it as a top mount, not just lifting up the face, riding like that, open face. So that's pretty cool. And I do have a second helmet, so I was like, I might as well just top mount one on here. I'm gonna get a helmet, a little alcohol cleaning. So this is the top mount that I want to use for that. I want it to sit on top of the head like that. That way if I got a second rider or, I want to just put my helmet on the side of my bike and put the camera on there, I can mount it like that. Just getting the proper base that I like to fit on there. And I'm gonna do the same thing again. Get some 3M pad, blow dry it, stick it. Here we just sticking it to the base. Making sure it's pressed real good on there. Stick it down good, press it firmly. That's how that'll sit right on top. So now I got two helmets, one with a chin strap mount on it. I got another helmet with a top mount on it.
Moto Hundo. Subscribe.